right. Well, happy Monday, everyone. Everyone have a good day, hopefully so far. Thank you for joining us today. Whether you're a seasoned professional in virtual networking or just starting out to explore the potential of Zoom meetings for your business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into strategies that will transform your approach to virtual meetings and help you unlock a treasure trove of opportunities. Matt's the expert in that. So get ready to count on every click into a connection and every meeting into a potential lead. What we will do is we'll do a 20-minute insights, and then we'll do 10 minutes of Q&A. Matt, do you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you, Christy. Thanks for everyone joining us here. Let me just quickly go through my background. Well, I spent many years in the tech over the last many years, 20 years, and used to work for all the tech companies. I was the senior product manager at Oracle and built the CRM for Fortune 5000. Now we are at the inflection point of a really exciting things coming together, right? As we all know, AI and digital transformation is all happening. Well, what I'm going to talk about in the next 10, 20 minutes and how we can leverage the basic core technology like Zoom meeting, how we can help everyone to do more with less. Well, let me start off with this basic banners. Actually, I have it on my profile. It's really to set the tone here. Many small businesses and even startups are in the lonely marketing, which is extremely expensive, and it's really high risk. And then that's exactly why we need to have everyone to move on to the what we call the smart collaborative marketing, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. Now, so the basic question is, how we get started and all the good stuff. And I'm just going to briefly mention about my company, AIX Network. It's about leveraging both the technology, the AI, and the digital transformation, and help everyone to promote your customer and your strategic partners. We have multiple AI application already launched last year. The SEO Booster, which is really exciting. I'll be able to show you some example. And then the Social Booster is really about helping everyone to boost your social media traffic and all the good stuff. Just a little bit about some of the customers we've been helping in the last 10 years, all over the map, from nonprofit for profits, mostly small, medium-sized companies. Now, this is really what we really, from a holistic point of view, I want to set the stage that why we need to promote everyone business strategically. Your customer, your partners, just like what Salesforce App Exchange has done for all the partners and customer. Most of the partners, actually all of them, don't pay a dime for online leads and traffic. And that's exactly why that we need to do the same thing. And our platform has all the key components that make it happen. Now, let's talk about Zoom meeting. That's the whole purpose of this webinar, right? Well, I'm sure all of you are doing Zoom meeting every single day, every single week. In fact, the big question is how many of you are actually converting your Zoom meeting into hot qualified leads? That's really the big question, right? And then we're going to go over how we can suggest everyone can do the same to make that happen. Now, just the background, some statistics. I just pulled that up from Google, and this is amazing. 300 million daily meeting participants. Wow. Imagine if you can just convert only 1%,
Mhm.
that is 3 million qualified leads that you can do more with less for all your customers and your strategic partners, right? And that's the whole idea. Now, the basic question is, how do we do that? Well, I'm gonna go through a little bit of demo, just for a few minutes to kind of walk you through how we can make that happen. But basically, the way it works is that we fully integrated with our core platform, which is ez-xpo, which is provide you the virtual exhibit hall environments. Given the fact that we are fully integrated into the platform in the auditorium, it make it seamless. You don't have to do anything, lock out and lock back in, anything like that. And that's the whole idea. So once we actually bring everyone into the Zoom meeting inside our platform, we can actually direct them to the exhibit hall, and then let the system capture all the leads and traffic for every exhibitor booth and so forth. So these are some suggestions we can offer to attendees to stay on after the meeting, and that's the whole idea. All right, so with that, I am ready for a demo. Christy, any questions?
No, nothing in the messaging so far, but if you do have a question, make sure you put it in the chat and we'll make sure that we address it along the way.
Okay, so now what you see is the front end. When you log into the systems, our platform it's really designed for everyday activities, not one big expo, one big conference, the traditional way. It's not the best. We want to have it everyday events happening here. Remember that 300 million daily participants that you want to capture, right? Well, you can do that with our platform. You know, this is the agenda. You can set it everyday events. It could be just a basic Zoom meeting, or it could be just for training purpose. It could be for onboarding, or job fair, any activities you can actually set up right here. Now the front end is a router. It routed to the auditorium. And this is the magic happens, right? We got Zoom built into this. So we can actually have a Zoom meeting inside the platform. And then once you're done with the Zoom meeting, you can still stay on the platform, because we have live chat going on here, and you still have you can continue your discussion. This is similar to a Slack channel. Once you're done with it, then you can go to our virtual hall. Now, the virtual hall is like multiple venues. It's like a multiple halls or trade show floor, you name it. And you can customize each categories for one for education track or one for expo. Let's go into the expo hall, and you can go into the virtual booth. Now, as I go to each booth, the system automatically tracks it for the exhibitor. That's the beauty of this. And that's how we can capture the leads and traffic and all the market analytics. As you can see, this is an AI chatbot.
Thanks for dropping by to learn more about our game changer. Want to supercharge your traffic for your business?
Now,
what is your name?
This is the AI based on OpenAI ChatGPT technology. So this is based on private data. Now, this is a private data. You can feed the data sets, whether it's a PDF or a website, we can do that. And then basically, you can ask any specific questions.
Hello, Matt. How can I assist you today?
Now, I already fed the data sheets to the AI chatbot, so he knows exactly what we do. So now
ez-xpo is a leading provider
then
of
we can
virtual
actually, that's how, the cool thing about this, you can take the same AI chatbot and put it on your website as well. So one stone hits two birds. Now we are fully integrated with CRM. So, you can be Salesforce, HubSpot, any CRM we can integrate. That's our first AI applications. And the second AI application is the SEO booster. Now, the search engine optimization is a very tedious work, and the average cost for SEO service is from $200 to even thousands of dollars. Now, with our AI application, you can literally almost free, So you put in the keywords, and basically the AI will basically give you the recommended meta keywords, description, and blog posts, all done in less than 5 minutes. And that's the amazing part. Instead of you do all the heavy lifting, of course you can do that, but who wants to do that, right? And just use the AI do the heavy lifting for you. And then we have WordPress integration. You can check it, you can add, whatever, modify it, make sure it's all correct, and then before you send it over to your website. That's the whole idea, your blog post. And you can literally do it every single day. And that is the power, without paying anyone to do that for you. Now, that's our second AI application. I call it SEO Booster. The third AI application is the social media booster. This is super amazing. Now, these are all, once you get the content, you can compose it, share it across all, schedule it, and share across all social media channels. And once you set up, it's just to push one button, and we'll send it directly all social media channels. Think about this, right? Imagine you got 25 partners, customer, all pushing this button every single day, every single week. That is massive traffic coming to your platform. That's the whole idea about doing more with less. Instead of one single company doing all the heavy lifting, now you have a group of team members or partners and customer all pushing the traffic to your place, using our platform fully integrated with Zoom. So that's how we can help everyone to do more with less with Zoom and turn every Zoom meeting to everyday hot leads, and turn that 300 million daily participants to 3 million hot leads for everyone. So that is what this is about.
Wow. That's some great information, Matt.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we have one question that came in, and one of the questions is, how will AIX Network help startups and other organizations grow their business?
Yes, so that's a great question. So one of the challenges is that, that's how we've actually built this platform, is really for startup and small business. Well, first of all, even your startup, you still have potential prospects or customer or partners that you can start off with. Even you don't have any, you can work with other companies. It could be nonprofit, and bring them all together into this in this platform, and then give them a virtual booth and promote everyone's business. That's the whole idea.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great idea. We have one more question before we're done for today. Why is it critical to connect both customers and partners together to drive daily organic traffic and leads?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I probably will go back to this chart right here. One of the thing that we want to emphasize is this. Lonely marketing is when you actually try to do it yourself, which is very, very expensive, it's high risk. And when you work with your customer partners, and that way basically lower the cost tremendously, right? And then it's like having 25 companies working together and versus one. Right. Well, you do the math, right? It's obviously a lower cost and it's more affordable. It's like a co-op program, right?
Correct.
So and now we got the social media booster. So the other elements is that instead of one single company pushing all the social media posts, now you got 25 companies pushing that same post from two different sources. That makes your company more viable, more trustworthy, because it's not just from one company, but actually from all other companies.
Right. And Matt, if people are attendees today, or if they're watching the recording, want more information, how do they reach out to you? What's the best way?
Yes, the best way is through my contacts. Let me see where you can pull it up here. I'm on all right, so this is my email right there. I'm on LinkedIn as well. mfok@aixnetwork.net, or connect with me on my LinkedIn profile on email, or reach out to me on Twitter or on my phone.
Okay.
Either way.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Well, as we wrap up today's session and turn your meetings into hot leads, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out of your busy Monday and your active participation and engagement. We've covered a lot of ground in a short amount of time, and that was the goal, is to keep it under 30 minutes for everyone to continue on with their day. But the best part of this is, how do you harness the power of Zoom and engage your audience, transform them into engagements, into valuable leads? And finally, how do you follow up effectively to seal the deal and grow your revenues, which is perfect for startups, existing businesses, anyone that needs more exposure. Matt, do you have anything else you'd like to summarize here at the end?
Yes, I think thank you for hosting this event. I think for anyone interested, please reach out to me or Christy to set up a sort of another one-on-one meeting and see how we can get you started.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Matt, for all your time today, and we appreciate all the attendees. And as Matt mentioned, he gave you his contact information. Please let us know how either one of us can assist you going forward. We'd love to help you to grow your business.
All right.
Thank you. Take care.